Hello everybody, it's Dan here with Feldmann Imports, and we've got another video walk around tour for you here. Today we have the 2022 Porsche Cayenne S. I'm going to show you some of the exterior and interior features, walk through a few of those things, and if you're interested in learning more, of course you can always find us at feldmanimports.com. I'd love to answer any questions you may have, or even set up a test drive. So once again, this is the 2022 Porsche Cayenne S. We've got a black exterior with a black leather interior. Driver's seat. Got a huge sunroof stretching from the front to the rear. Got our seat controls here. The Porsche steering wheel. Porsche vehicles do have this turn key here to actually start the vehicle. We'll go ahead and hop in. Mileage very low, currently at 1,164. And again, we get that turn key ignition. Okay. Okay, so we've got our touchscreen display right here. Currently showing our climate settings, which you also have climate controls right down here. You've got heated and ventilated seats, both driver and passenger. And here is our radio and navigation and backup camera. So I was accessing most of those functions using these quick access buttons right up here. It is also a touch screen, so of course you can access through the touch screen itself as well. Okay, so climate controls down here. You've also got your shifter, the Porsche style shifter. We've got your dynamic select here, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road, whether it's individual, the custom, Sport or Sport Plus. Okay. Go ahead and hop out and show you the rear seats. Rear seats here. Another look up at that sunroof. Do have rear climate control. And here's one more peek back up front. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we've got our Porsche Cayenne S badging, power opening and closing trunk. And we also have option here to raise or lower your chassis, just make it a little easier to load and unload the trunk. And push button to close your trunk. So once again, just a very quick walk around tour of the 2022 Porsche Cayenne S. If you're interested in getting more information or even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.